Hi there. Learning how to program can be a tedious and intimidating task. However, it doesn't have to be that way. In this course, we will learn by creating programs and not reading complex textbooks. My name is Andrew Volk, and I've worked as a computer programmer for multiple companies over the last decade while also teaching classes on programming and software development. Like many, and maybe like you, I prefer to learn by doing. So this course is laid out a little different than most programming courses. We are not going to have any quizzes or tests or reading assignments. Really, the only thing in this course is you and me creating things and learning a little bit more each time we do that. The idea of this course also is that each one of the levels that we do is meant to be done in one sitting. So you can really quickly get done a little bit more if you got just 30 minutes between your meetings, or you only have a 10-minute session. You might be able to knock out a whole level and add a little bit more of a skill to your repertoire. So this is Learn C++ by Creating. And what you're seeing now is me typing out a very basic program, and you'll learn all of this quicker than you might imagine. We're going to go over all the things as far as how to set up your computer using an integrated development environment like Microsoft Visual Studio, all the way into writing programs and even using some object-oriented programming down the line. Don't feel like you need to know anything about programming coming in, because we're going to start right at the beginning. If you have some experience, then you're just going to be able to progress that much faster, and you won't feel like it's that slow of a course either. If you don't have a PC, that's okay. We can run pretty much anything we want to do on Mac or Linux, or even on a Chromebook. So there are really no requirements. And my name is Andrew Volk. This is Learn C++ by Creating.